Hey there, Bricksers and Lego friends, how's it going? So today I am talking about YouTube and the Lego channel's drama that's going on right now. Stay tuned. So, what's going on? Well, I got some notifications in my inbox this morning of some interesting videos to watch, so I started to watch one, and lo and behold, it was drama! Yes, total drama about Lego YouTubers. There should not be any Lego YouTubers drama, but there is for some reason. And you know, I come home and after a long day, I sit down and I watch YouTube to decompress and see what I can find interesting enough to watch that I might be interested in or might like to build, or you know, whatever. I don't want to criticize other guys' channels, but this is what seems to be going on right now, and I'm not here to rip anybody apart. I'm just saying I don't like the drama that's going on in here. It's been kind of tightening up by what I saw in this video, and if you don't have content to create that deals with Lego or your channel specifically, then just don't create it. If I have writer's block or whatever, then I just leave it be. I don't put out a video for whatever. If you need views, well, maybe that's why you're doing this. But yes, there's YouTubers out there that do some pretty greasy things. But, you know, that's just their way of doing things, I guess. And I'm sure most of the young people that watch these videos don't want to see that either. Now, what I will say is this person is kind of going after people who don't declare that they've gotten free stuff from Lego or sponsorships or whatever. Well, why? If these other people actually say that they're getting stuff, great. If they don't, well, I don't know if there's something in the guidelines that say you have to. Not here for Canadians, it's not, but maybe for other places, I don't know. So the bottom line is, don't criticize other channels, because it's only going to bring yours down. If you're looking for, if it's views that you're looking for, it's not the right way to go about it by causing drama or other things like that. Yes, my channel may show that I only have a few subscribers, but I've been around for quite a few years. And I don't have to use drama or any other means out there to rank my channel up. It'll build itself up over time. If it takes years, it takes years. That's okay with me. I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to do it my way. I'm not going to do it the wrong way. There's all kinds of drama and foolishness going on with some of the Lego YouTubers, whether people not disclosing stuff or pedophiles watching YouTube channels and subscribing to get thousands of subscribers. Whatever, okay? It's there, it happens, but it doesn't have to be publicly thrown out there. Lego channels are for fun, and that's what I'm here for. When it becomes no more fun, then maybe it's time to leave, right? And remember, not everybody likes every YouTuber out there. That's fine. I'm sure there's a lot that doesn't like me. I know there's ones that I don't like. And I'm not specifically saying Lego, I mean anything to do in YouTube. So, but when it comes to Lego, just have fun and go with it. When it starts to go downhill like this, it's not fun at all. Let's keep the Lego community fun, inviting, informative, and an all-around great place for everyone to enjoy. Until next time, see you later.